These informations are based on leaks and rumors. I don't guarantee it to be 100% accurate. Introducing the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro is coming with a completely new display which is called the Fluid AMOLED display, and it will also have a massive 4500 mAh battery with super fast charging at 50 watts. 6.5 inches Fluid AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1440 by 3120 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and 120Hz touch sensing. 64 megapixel AI quad rear cameras, which are 64 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, 20 megapixel ultra wide, and 0.3 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, there is a whole punch selfie camera which is 32 megapixel f2.0 wide lens. The processor is Snapdragon 865 7nm and the GPU is Adreno 650. 8 and 12GB RAM, 128GB to 256GB storage option which is UFS 3.0. The storage is expandable with microSD card up to 1TB with dedicated slot. Lithium-ion 4500 mAh battery with fast battery charging at 50 watts. IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Front and back glass with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and aluminum frame. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Subscribe to get more updates.